Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a photo with Instagram application. So most of you probably confused why and how can the
Percaya
Instagram
sama aku, ini
remove the
bakal jadi
stickers
minggu
from the
di search
picture.
favorit
It's
kalian.
because
Kalian wajib save
the
resep ini
Instagram
buat bulan
have a
puasa
features
nanti. Jadi
that
ayo
can
kita
help you with
bikin.
that.
Pertama kita
So,
akan
you
bikin
just need to
pudingnya
open
dulu.
Instagram,
Selalu jadi
make sure
andalan
that
aku
you are
puding
staying in
susu
the home
Nutrijel,
section,
dan
and
kali
let's
ini
just
aku pakai
create a
rasa
new
mangga.
story
Cukup
by
tambahin air
clicking
aja kan.
to plus button. Now we just need to pick the picture that containing the emoji on that you want to remove, and this is the emoji that I would like to remove. The next thing we need to do is just go click these three small dots and just go click this draw tools. Now you need to adjusting the thickness of the pen, so I will like to make it like bigger. Anyway, I would like to suggest you to use this pen, this type of pen. And after that, go click this color picker and just pick the color. Make sure that you drag it into the nearest part with with the stickers or with the emoji that you want to remove. Now you just need to start scratching into the top of the emoji that you want to remove, and you're done. Now you just need to go click done and download it by go click this three small dot and save. That's the way guys how to remove emoji with Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.